Hey, what's up, guys? My GoPro Hero 7 Silver hangs up. It's freezing. I will show you how to fix this in a quick and easy way. Pressing the mode or power button doesn't work. So what I have to do is have it hard reset. This is a universal trick and works on smartphones also. You have to press the mode button and shutter button simultaneously. Continue pressing until the logo appears. Then release. Simple and easy fix, right? The Hero 7 Silver and White have fixed battery. You cannot do anything but wait until the battery is empty to turn it off. This is the only fix that I have discovered and it works. As I have mentioned, just turn down the power button together with the shutter button and wait until the logo appears and release the buttons. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, and also share it to your friends. Please subscribe for more videos. See you next time.